Hi, my name is Morgan. I'm from San Diego, California, and I discovered the Mirage retractable screen while searching for solutions online to keep the bugs out of our home while also still allowing airflow and not blocking our gorgeous view. Our home has some large doors throughout that we rarely use because of the bugs getting in, so we were on the lookout for some screens that could allow us to use our doors more frequently. We found Mirage screens and they have been perfect for our home. These Mirage 3500 large opening retractable screens fit seamlessly within our multi-panel sliding doors. We decided to go with polar white finish with the standard handle. The retained mesh at the bottom keeps our pets from escaping and then debris from entering. We have one of the screens installed in our master bedroom. Prior to installing Mirage screens, we had a screen on our standard door that was always sticking and was super difficult to open and close. The Mirage 1750, I don't have that issue anymore and it's super smooth. Being able to see the ocean with the screen closed is a real bonus. I would absolutely recommend Mirage retractable screens. I've already recommended it to so many of our friends and family members. It's easy to use and allows us to enjoy our gorgeous view all the time.